If you are facing the call failed error on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, or 17 Pro Max, this video is for you. I will show you step by step how to fix it with proven methods. Before trying any method, remove your SIM card once, clean it, insert it back, and restart your iPhone. In many cases, the problem is solved here. Method 1. Reset network setting. Go to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset Network Settings. This often fixes the issue. Method 2. Update iOS. Check if your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Apple often fixes network bugs with updates. Method 3. Contact your carrier. If nothing works, the problem may be with your carrier. Contact their support for help. These methods work on all iPhone 17 models. The steps are simple and do not require technical skills. With these solutions, your iPhone will make calls without issues again.